This is amazing.
Welcome to our school and the unveiling of our new Verizon Innovation Lab. It is well known that Cleveland has been ranked as the worst connected large city in the country. However, this lab will enrich and broaden the experience of our scholars and help them develop the digital skills they need to learn and earn in today's world.
To be able to have some great equipment, from 3D printing, the augmented reality zone, and just a lot of fun things that they can create. And then just the component where our teachers are able to get additional professional development.
So we can start more STEM programming, work with design thinking projects to innovate and create something new. It also can support the curriculum.
What we wish to look for is to prepare a space that when the students come in, they feel that they matter and that they can learn.
It feels unreal because all the tech and stuff, and at my old school, we ain't have all of this.
Somewhere in this building, the next Stephanie Tubbs Jones is learning. Maybe that student won't end up as a county judge or prosecutor or congressperson, but maybe that student develops technology that leads to scientific breakthroughs or cures diseases. And this facility and the technology lab that you will use will help to put our students on a pathway to success.